Hello guys, so today it's a new vlog and today's vlog guys, join me as we dive into the new Sigma lens for RF mount. So this is the first Sigma RF mount, which is the Sigma 1850 f2.8 DCDN for Canon RF mount. So DC meaning for crop sensor. So this is good for your APS-C Canon RF camera. For example, R50, R10, R7, R100. So this is the best zoom lens with the f2.8 aperture for again for your RF camera. So guys, we will explore why might just be a perfect additional lens for your Canon RF lineup of lenses. So especially for crop sensor cameras of Canon. So many photographers struggle for a zoom lens for their APS-C camera. So I think this is the first 1850 f2.8 which is RF mount. So from Canon itself, I think they have 2470, 2870. But for APS-C, I'm not sure if I think this is the first 1850 or zoom lens, which is 2.8 constant aperture and yeah. So and it's RF mount. So let's check this lens and test to one of our camera. Maybe it's R10. Let's check with the R10 and check the quality of this lens. So guys, there's the same size with the 1850. Actually, they are same size. The Sigma 1850 and the Canon RF 18150. Similar size, guys. So let's attach this 1850 to the Canon R10 and take some sample photos. So let's go. So guys, look at the Sigma 1850. Yeah, f2.8. It's perfect for the Canon R10. Wow, it's amazing. It's like a kit lens with the 1850, 18150. But yeah, this is perfect lens, especially for APS-C. So it's look like you have already 2470 on your APS-C, the Canon 18, Sigma 1850. So let's try to take some, sample photos using the 2.8. Okay, the 2 ISO. Let's try to use ISO 200 shutter. Okay. Shoutout kay Palabyo FW. Oh, continuous burst mode. Mhm. Single burst mode. Oh, new pare. RF, the new RF lens from Sigma. Sigma 1850 f2.8. Your Canon, sir? You, sir? No? What? Sony? Mobile. Upgrade now. For you have content? You have content? YouTube, TikTok, Instagram? What? Thank you. What is you have YouTube? Good. For YouTube, TikTok. Yeah, good. I'm making video. It's okay? Okay. Can I take photo with you? And I put in YouTube. It's fine? Okay. Okay. Because we have a new lens. This is a new lens from Sigma. Okay. Thank you, sir. Yeah. This is 1850. It's a new lens. So I just make some vlog. Thank you. Yan, yan, ganyan. Ang ganda kayo. In summary, the Sigma 1850 f2.8 offers exceptional value and performance, making it worthy contender for anyone using Canon RF APS-C camera. So guys, that's it for today. Again, if you find this reviews helpful, make sure to consider to check some of my review from other lenses like Sigma lenses and Canon lenses, any lenses from my channel, and give me some thoughts regarding this new Sigma 1850 RF mount. Again, guys, if you want to check the price and availability of this Canon Sigma 1850 f2.8 DCDN, you can visit our website www.abworld.com. So again, guys, if you want to check all the Sigma products that we have, check to our website www.abworld.com. So yan, hanggang dito na lang guys. Thank you and mabuhay.